Beat by the beat. You get the smell. Some they look, some they walk, some they talk, some they shop, some they live on the roof while some sleep on the ground. Some they walk on the walk while some shop till belly full for ground. They walk back on the shop, they trail over jungle. When lion they talk, tortoise shut up, plenty levels for jungle. Some they drop, some they count, some they crawl, some they bounce, some they live on the roof while some sleep on the ground. Some they think, some they fast, as them chop our country go down. They walk.
This is Sultan, and you are welcome to the behind the scenes shot of my video. We're on the video set right here on Lagos Island. This place is really a very monumental place. It's a former prison, now the Freedom Park. Yeah, ironically, it's called the Freedom Park, former prison. It's a wonderful place, and we're trying to get some video shots in place. We've been to Fela's Museum, Kalakuta Museum, and on Allen Avenue, and it's been wonderful. I mean, I feel blessed to be using these very monumental places to shoot my video. Watch out for it. It's called Naija Jungle.
No, you better see me. I will do everything. I will do this for you. I will make life better for all of you. Nobody for jungle.
Yo, what's up? It's your boy Waxy, Waxerian, representing Cadence Entertainment. As you can see, today we are here all because of our big brother, Sultan video, Naija Jungle.
Hello, my name is Emeka Okoye, call me Manzi Kuyoku, one of Africa. I'm on the musical video for Sultan, and I played the role of a politician.
Hello, my name is Emmanuel, aka Emax Freerunner, the top Nigerian freerunner. I'm participating on Sultan's Nigerian Ninja's music video called Naija Jungle. Well, I'm the runner. I'm the monkey actually, the jungle boy.
My name is Victor Dochkunwok, Unkubi for a lot of you that watch me on TV. So far so good. Sultan's new video, Naija Jungle, has been a very beautiful experience. But well, in as much as it is beautiful, it has its strenuous part. We've been running all through. That is just what it is for now. Sultan, this is very awesome. I mean, this video would definitely hit the market. And then for you watching me right now, just keep watching VOCS.
When Tiger they come, lizard go run, levels different for jungle.
Yo, they call me Black and Nigerian Ninja Stop Shooter. In case you don't know, now you know. We here shooting Sultan's video, Naija Jungle, directed by Adasa Squarebo, produced by NEP. You know how it is when Nigerian Ninjas will come with fire, you know. Naija Jungle is actually just talking about the situation right now in Nigeria. So you know how it is every time when Sultan comes out, you know, with strong message. This one is so powerful. You should go copy the songs, download it, listen to it, pay attention to it, you know, because it's actually talking about the real situations right now.
My name is Iberia, and I came here for Sultan's video shoot for Jungle. It's an amazing time. We're having a great time. We're feeling good. We're making the best times of our life. And keep watching Votes TV. Keep it locked.
hi, what's up? My name is Rita.
I'm Edith. I'm Janet. Elfrida.
And we're DMS. Dance is my style. Guess what? We're here live at Sultan's video shoot. It has been going well. Trust me. We are the dance artists on set, and also they're giving us one horrible part to play. Trust me, it's very horrible. And then keep watching VOTS.
Someday leave on